Turn the challenge of fiscal data archiving into a competitive advantage. With POS Comply, you secure a fully GoBD and KassenSichV compliant solution in the SAP BTP cloud that stores your data securely in Germany. The installation of a BSI-certified technical security device, TSE, German für Technische Sicherheitseinrichtung, is only the first step towards audit-proof cash register data archiving. This is because the collected TSE data must be stored, analyzed, and processed in accordance with requirements. In the worst-case scenario, you will archive incomplete and incorrect data that you will not be able to generate and provide again afterwards. With POS Comply, you can ensure that your data is archived correctly and completely. This is your task dashboard. This intuitive dashboard and integrated task management supports you in proactive monitoring and troubleshooting. This is the transaction overview. Here, you will find different filters to quickly get an overview of the transactions you are looking for. Keep an eye on all cash transactions and fiscal data at all times, from recording to archiving. You can view every transaction in detail and recognize immediately if a DSF NVK export or a TSE signature is incorrect. Simulate an audit by the tax authorities and detect any data gaps at an early stage. Avoid sanctions and ensure that your tax obligations are met in full. POS Comply integrates seamlessly into existing cloud solutions and can be expanded with a cloud-based TSE if needed. This ensures future-proof capabilities and efficient handling of large volumes of data. As part of your internal control system, POS Comply contributes to tax compliance. If the tax authorities come knocking, you'll be prepared.